Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 2nd. This is my analysis for the euro yen, and we're starting off on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the 4-hour time frame, I still think there's a very good likelihood this move up right here is a wave B. I still think this move down right here is possibly a wave A. It definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3 wave pattern to the upside. We are at the 78%. We definitely did pull back pretty strong there. There is definitely a chance that it now starts a wave to the downside to finish off the wave C of wave 4 on the higher time frames. So pushing down to the 1 hour time frame, we are definitely going down pretty strong today. There's really no proof that it's over yet, though. The proof that we need is either a breaker structure, which is right here, or we need to see like a very significant lower high, lower high. Those are the two things that are going to tell me that this uptrend right here for a potential wave C is complete. So we definitely could be speculating that it's over and that it's going down, but at this point, there's no proof and it's just a speculation. We really need to see that breaker structure or that lower high to tell us that this uptrend for the wave C is over. Until that happens, we cannot rule out the possibility of this making a higher low and pushing up again. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.